Moikka! Welcome back to the North Cabin and welcome to fall. Summer has slowly slipped away. The air feels different now, cooler and crispier, with that faint scent of change. Days are getting shorter and the light a little softer. Nature is turning into a fall masterpiece with its colors. Fading greens turning into golden leaves, deep reds and different shades of browns. Forest full of many kind of berries and mushrooms. How lovely! Fall has always felt like a season of slowing down. It is so nice and inspiring to notice the changes. The sound of leaves crunching underfoot, the way the sun filters through the trees, and of course the beauty of the darkening nights. I do love the darkness. It's the season of lanterns and fairy lights, cozy sweaters, warm drinks and inspiration. When nature begins to let go and prepare for rest, reminding us that there's beauty in every ending and with it comes new beginnings too. In today's video, let's do some whimsical fall painting with some of those amazing fall colors. So, grab your brushes and your favorite warm drink and let's paint the beauty of fall together. I got this lovely watercolor set package from Meeden and I thought that today we could do the picture with these. I already unwrapped plastic from this and now let's do the unboxing part. Let's start with the brushes. This is a 9-pack watercolor paintbrush set. Water-collected new tech, soft strokes and no hair shedding. And let's open this. Wow! Every brush has its own container. This is very nice for traveling. Let's open one. Wow, this looks amazing. Let's do the painting with these today. And then let's check out the Meeden watercolor paint set. 24 colors. Wow. What a lovely set of colors. I have never used this kind of watercolors. I have only used the palette. So this will be really interesting and nice colors for fall, I have to say. Really good. And next is some watercolor paper. So we will not be doing watercolor painting today on copy paper. This is nice. And this is a hot press, acid free. So good quality paper. Oh, this is pink. Yes, let's do the painting to this paper today. And then porcelain paint palette. And I am so excited about this one. It will be so nice to mix the colors in this. So let's check it out. Hand-glazed, stain-resistant, eco-friendly ceramic material, easy to clean. Perfect for mixing inks, watercolors, and other water-based media. Ooh, this is lovely. You can mix inks also with this one. So this is perfect for mixed media. How beautiful is this? I love all kinds of ceramic things, and this is absolutely wonderful. I am so excited about this set. Thank you, lovely Meeden, for sending me this amazing set. I really appreciate it. And if you want to know more of this watercolor set and other Meeden lovely art products, there is a link in the description box below with the discount code. And if you make a purchase, I will get a little commission of it. This will be so much fun. Let's start the painting. What a lovely experience that was. I really loved this watercolor set. It was amazing. Thank you, Meeden, for sending me this lovely package. And there is more information in the description box if you want to go and check out lovely Meeden products. But yes, let's enjoy our fall days. They are so beautiful. Until next time, kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.